Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Renault Trafic 6x6 Campervan is a leisure vehicle that focuses on off-road adventures. It combines the robustness of a 6x6 truck with the comfort and usefulness of a mobile home. It serves tourists who want the freedom to reach distant locations without sacrificing comfort. Crucial characteristics: 6x6 drivetrain. The remarkable off-road capability and grip of the 6x6 drivetrain system enable the vehicle to navigate difficult terrain. More ground clearance reduces the chance of bumps when riding rocky or uneven trails. Sturdy exterior. All-terrain tires provide excellent traction. The outward design is robust and useful, and there is ample back storage space for adventure equipment like bikes, surfboards, or even small motorbikes. Comfortable and useful interior. The ergonomic design of the cabin has a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Modern safety features that facilitate tight space navigation include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, and a 360 video system. Interior height that allows a person up to 1.90 meters tall to move around comfortably. Because the camper is designed to operate off-grid, all of its amenities will work without the need to plug in an external electrical unit. Attractive interior features. Flexible living area. The clever interior design maximizes available space with seating that can be turned into a comfortable bed, with a fully equipped kitchen that includes a stove, sink, and refrigerator. You can cook wherever you are. The overhead cabinets and plenty of storage space under the bed. Ensure that all of your essentials are kept neatly tucked away. Superior off-grid functionalities. By employing rooftop solar panels to charge additional batteries, you can maintain connectivity and have electricity for your gadgets. More freedom in the outdoors is made possible by large freshwater and waste tanks.